patient, I draw it fully in, like I need extreme patience to draw this, and it took a lot of time to complete this in a very effective.
So this is a form of acrylic art, and about me, I like Japanese and minimalistic cultures, so this depicts what I said.
Actually, it took only like an hour or like an hour and a half, like that. Yeah, actually, horse is like my favorite animal, and it represents freedom and fierceness. So I chose this picture.
Okay, Aisha, thank you.
This was a charcoal art.
Okay.
Irish art, actor Killian Murphy.
Okay.
It was 5 hours at the time.
See, I'm really happy to see all this work done by the children, especially the pictures made by Mr. Anand seems to be very professional, and some of the pictures out there drawn by Varsha, and many of you have done it very well. So I feel that you can do more workshops like this and try to improve upon your skills. There's a very huge future waiting for you. Keep on doing such workshops so that the children will be inspired to do much more work. So thank you all very much for having invited me.